Welcome. If you want to activate easy mode in your LG G8X ThinQ, for the first you have to open the settings, tap on the search settings and type here easy home. Pick up this function and here just click on the easy home, click OK. And as you can see, that's how this mode looks on the smartphone. If you want to go back to your previous mode, just enter here one more time and select the home application, click OK. And as you can see, we are back with our stock launcher. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.